Welcome to year 4 of Cooking for Healthy Kids, live from the Culinary Institute of America in San Antonio, Texas. Hosted by the Urban School Food Alliance, a coalition of the nation's largest school districts, this powerful training united passionate school nutrition professionals from districts of all sizes throughout the country. These dedicated experts dove into intensive hands-on sessions, honing their culinary techniques to create vibrant, flavorful school meals that kids will actually eat. The focus stayed sharp, building advanced culinary confidence, inspiring greater intake of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, plant-based and lean protein options, and making every plate more appealing in both taste and presentation. This year, we've taken an exciting step forward by launching a student fellowship pilot, inviting 2 high school students to join us. The goal? To educate young people about the world of school food service while guiding their own personal health food journeys, blending essential culinary basics with real-world nutrition education in the classroom. Now these professionals and our student fellows are heading home, energized and equipped to share their expertise, train colleagues, and ignite positive change across their districts, creating a nationwide wave of healthier, more exciting school meals. Reflecting on 4 incredible years, we're inspired by the ongoing growth of this program. Past participants have returned to their teams with boosted skills, innovative ideas, and lasting enthusiasm, leading to real transformations in school kitchens everywhere. The feedback continues to motivate us, proving that this training truly makes a difference. Want to help fuel this momentum and bring even more impact to school nutrition programs? Anyone can partner with the Alliance financially by making a donation today. Your support directly powers trainings like this and advances healthier meals for students everywhere. Visit urbanschoolfoodalliance.org to donate and learn more about how you can get involved. Together, we're cooking up a brighter future, one school meal at a time.